Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D model in AutoCAD. Just go to the software. This is the AutoCAD software. For this video, we are using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. To model the component, first go to the new drawing. Choose AutoCAD. Just open it. Now we are in the new window. Now just see the model. This is our model. Before modeling any component, first set the unit. Just type units, enter. And default, it is in the unit of inches. Choose decimal here. Here precision, choose 0. If you want, here you see all the numbers are in not in the digits, so choose first one. Then all the dimensions are in millimeter, choose millimeter. Just say OK. Then we need to specify the limits. To specify the limits is nothing but to specify the drawing sheet dimensions. For example, in this PPT, this is a drawing sheet. In that we have modeled this drawing here. Similar way, we just want to specify the sheet in AutoCAD. To specify the sheet in AutoCAD, we need to specify the two corners. One is left corner, upper right corner. This one is 0, 0, and this one is, we need to specify the dimension which is more than the dimension of drawing we need to draw. For example, the maximum x and y dimension is 165 and 110. We need to take the sheet which is bigger than the sheet of this dimension. So I am taking 200, 200. So here just specify the limits enter. Here it is asking specify the lower left corner which is 0, 0, and the upper right corner the sheet maximum length is 200, 200. Enter it. Then Z enter, it's nothing but zoom, and A enter, zoom all. Now the sheet will set it based on the dimension we have specified it. Then we will model this component, we will model this drawing. For that, just open this drawing and just open the software here. Just keep the software like this, then it will be easy to model it. Now see this. Now we'll model here. We can start our drawing from anywhere. I'm going to start from this point. For that, just go to take the line, start here. Initially it is ortho mode is off, then that's why it's coming like inclined line. To make it a straight line, straight horizontal line, you just switch on this ortho mode. To make switch on this ortho mode, you will get ortho mode on. You can use a shortcut command called F8 also. Now the length we need to specify. Here this dimension is 110. So this one is 110, enter. Then horizontal line we need to draw. This dimension is 100 and this total length is 125. Then this dimension will be 25. 25, enter. And the vertical dimension we need to specify, that is a 15. Here they have specified it. So 15, and then go for horizontal of 100 mm. Now we are in here. Then we need to make a circle. Just right click, cancel. Now to draw a circle, we need to specify the center point. Take a line again. The center point is from here to here. The bigger circle diameter is 80. Then the radius will be 40. Just specify the value of 40, enter. Just right click and cancel. Now take a circle, center and diameter. Just click it here. Specify the diameter of 80. Now we have created the circle. Then take a line again. This point we need to pick it, this quadrant point. Initially it is not enabled. To make enabled, here there is an option called a square box with one more square box at the left side top corner. This is called as snap cursor 2D reference points. Just click this arrow button. Whatever the points you want to see, that points you just make it enabled. I want to see the quadrant as well as midpoint, endpoints, everything. Just click it here. Now take a line again. Now you can see the quadrant point also. Then make it horizontal line which is 100 mm. Then vertical line which is 15 mm. Then close the line. Right click and cancel. Now we have created the outer sketch. Just trim unwanted edges by using a trim tool. Here you can see there is an option called trim. Just trim this one, and this one also we can make a trim, but we need to create a circle. Anyway, we can trim it. Just escape. Press escape button. Now the AutoCAD will come out from the previous command. Now we just want to draw this circle also with a diameter of 40. Just take a circle. Just move your cursor to the edge of the circle. You will get the center point. Just create a circle with the diameter of 40. Just enter it. Then we need to create one more circle which is diameter of 15. For that we need to find the center from this circle center to this circle center is 55 mm. Just take a line. Just move your cursor to the edge of the circle. Then you will get the center point. This dimension is 55. Just enter it. Right click. Cancel. Now again go to the circle. Take a circle and diameter. Just click it here. The diameter is 15. Now we need to remove this circle, this line. Select this line and delete it. Now see, we have created this full model. Then we'll specify the dimension. Just go for here. There are multiple dimension options. First we'll take a linear dimension. This vertical dimension is 110. Here you can see the 110 is generated, but which is very small size. To make it bigger size, go for dim style. DIMSTY. Just enter it. This box will open. Just go for the modify. Here there is an option called symbols and arrows. Specify value of 4. Similarly, for text also you specify the value as 4. Then go for the primary units. Here it is decimal only. Here we just make a precision of 0. Save OK. Then close it. Now see the dimension is came 110. Then we'll specify the dimension one by one. Just go for the linear dimension again. Just specify this dimension is 125. And again take this linear dimension from this point to this point which is 100. Then again take a dimension from here to here which is 15. Then we need to specify this both the circle diameter. Take a diameter tool. Just click it here. You will get the diameter. For this also just click it here. Just go select this one. Just click it here, which is diameter of 40. Then we need to specify the diameter of this one. Just select this one. Just specify it here, which has diameter of 15. Then here you can see there is a center mark. To specify the center mark, just enter CM, enter, which is center mark. Just move your cursor to the edge of the circle, you will get center mark. Now the total length we need to specify, which is 165. That is need not to specify actually. From this dimension itself we can take it out. Just one more dimension which is 80. Select it here. This one is 80. Now one more dimension which is 55 we need to specify it. Take a linear dimension from the center point. There are multiple points. Just choose this center point. This center point and this point, which is 55. Just move here. Just place it here. Now we have done the dimensions, everything. Now in that we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more video, please subscribe my channel. In next tutorial, we'll come up with a new 2D model. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.